I was woken up by a police officer, and he introduced himself and said that I had two options, that I could walk down the stairs backwards or he could carry me. And I remember I was really dizzy and felt sick, so I had asked him to carry me down the stairs. And I remember hearing the fuzzing of all of the walkie-talkies and the boots on the floor, and it sounded like there was dozens of people inside of the house. And when we came down to the bottom of the stairs, it was like everyone disappeared. You know, the place went completely silent, and it was just the boots of the officer that was carrying me and the officer with Jack that we could hear. And they brought us to our basement where Sharon, Molly's mom, was staying. And she was just sitting in her bed reading a book. So it never occurred to me that something that serious had happened, because she was so calm and she stayed so calm. So it never did I think that anything bad or really serious could have happened.
Yeah, there was guards there, police officers there. Like, a child's brain isn't going to go to their dad being gone.
No, especially not your dad. Your dad is, you know, the strongest person in the world.
Yeah.
And, you know, we'd lost our mom already, and I just don't think it could happen again.